Hello,
What do you
mate.
think then, Matt? She's running, eh?
I'll show him. Hey,
Yeah.
that's a bit nicer. Well,
It's better,
it's
isn't
still spaghetti, but it's nicer spaghetti. It's a higher class.
it? Yeah. You've done a tester now, then, yeah?
Yeah, with so far so good. See what happens
Yeah. I'll,
in a sec.
yeah, I'll see what happens, eh?
Hopefully it works.
Yeah. You gonna test it then, George?
Yeah.
I think it might be fixed. Who knows? Find out in a minute.
One way to try it.
Yep. Give her some stick and see, eh? See you in a minute. It seems to be working. It's got it right sideways. Seems to be working pretty good. Oh yeah. It's going well. Right, blow fuse there. God. Nice.
Get me out!
Hey,
Better have reliability.
would you say it's fixed?
I think so. Have a look at this.
Working.
Hang on.
Hey, we got some mud in here.
We can't actually see where we're going at all.
Wow. Hey George. I like the drifting, buddy.
You like that?
Yeah, I like it when you drift it through that gully, yeah? It goes really
It all
well.
ended up in here.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a little bit of water
pants
coming
are
in.
wet.
Oh dear. Oh well.
Good.
Are you happy now?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
There you go, tubes all fixed.
Nice.
Wiring specialist right here. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Brilliant.
Time.
Nice one.